in the class of the fluid mechanics, in the last class.
Sir, अभय जी attendance.
Okay, last time बोलिएगा, अब last में. In the last class, you have understood what is hydrostatic forces, and before that you have gone through the pressure measurement. Is not it? Have you understood pressure measurement? Hello? Have you understood
Yes, sir.
hydrostatic forces?
Yes, sir.
Oh, gamma
Yes,
A H bar was the hydrostatic force on a horizontal surface, and similarly will be the case of the hydrostatic force on the vertical plane. But here H bar is not equal to the H dash and H. It will be different in vertical case. Similarly, there will be pressure and center of pressure for the inclined plane also. So you should see your book. Have you seen the book? Book में देखा आप लोगों ने?
Book नहीं मिला है, sir. Oh.
You can share, you can purchase the book and see. Today I am going to give a summary of the last class. The total pressure was gamma A H bar, and center of pressure formula is Ig by A H bar plus H bar, where H bar is the distance from the center of gravity from the free surface of the water, and total pressure on inclined plane is also gamma A H bar, but the center of pressure on inclined plane is Ig sin square theta by A H bar plus H bar, where theta is the inclination of the surface with horizontal. For horizontal plane, theta is equal to 0, then H is equal to H bar, but for vertical plane, theta is equal to 90 degree, and H is equal to Ig by A H bar plus H bar. Here sin theta will become 90, sin square theta will become 1. So for this, you want to understand a figure also. So suppose there is a numerical that calculate the total hydrostatic pressure on the gate AB of the vessel shown in figure. The width of the gate perpendicular to the plane of the width of the gate perpendicular to the plane of the paper is 1 meter. The liquid in the vessel is water having a specific weight as 1000 kg per meter cube. In solution, you will put the formula that total force or total pressure is the hydrostatic force. This is the force. Total pressure is the hydrostatic force is gamma A H bar. Gamma is the 1000 and area is 2 into 1. Aman Kumar, कौन अमन कुमार है? What is roll number? So here you can see that 4000 kgf and 2 is the H bar, free surface to the center of gravity of the plane. So it is 4000 and depth of the center of pressure is Ig upon A H bar plus H bar. Yes, you can understand here that this is a bracket plus H bar again. So what is Ig? Ig is the moment of inertia, that is 1 by 12, 1 into 2 cube, and area is 2 into 1, and H bar is 2 plus 2, 2.17 meter. Now let us see its figure. Stop this share and share again from the here. So in this case, if you open this, you see this figure. This is the figure in which this is the elevation of the side of the dam in which this is the free surface of water, and this is the gate. AB is the gate. AB is the gate, and perpendicular to AB is the width of the gate, that is 1 meter. But perpendicular, and the center of the AB is G. The distance of G from the free surface is 2 meter. So H bar is 2 meter. H bar is 2 meter. And what is the A? This 2 meter, AB is the 2 meter, and the perpendicular to this width of the gate is 1 meter. So the area of the gate is 2 into 1, and H bar is 2, and IG is equal to, is known as, suppose this is the line which is cutting center of gravity line. So it is cutting the line of the 2 meter. So we will say that 1 into 2 cube by 12. AB cube by 12, and B is the distance which is parallel to the free surface of water, and the center of gravity is passing through the point G, which is the half of the AB. So that's why the AB cube into 12 it is being done. Means moment of inertia about an axis parallel to the passing to the center of gravity parallel to the free surface of water is AB cube by 12. A is the width of the gate, and B is the that length of the gate which is cut by the axis which is passing through the center of gravity and which is parallel to the free surface of water. So this is the way you will understand that how we will find out the value of Ig, because Ig is the moment of inertia about center of axis passing through center of gravity. So which is axis? Where is axis? Axis is cutting the line AB. So you have to do the AB ka cube into width 1 upon 12. This is the value of Ig. Getting or not? Hello? हेलो, समझ में आया सबको? हेलो, हेलो अभय, हेलो, हेलो, बोलिए, आप लोग समझे कुछ?
यस सर।
हाँ, समझ गए?
यस सर।
आईजी कैसे निकालते हैं? जो लाइन जो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी से कट रहा है, जो सब पैरामीटर, उसका क्यूब करते हैं 1/12 इंटू A इंटू AB का क्यूब, यानी 2 का क्यूब by 12, और प्लस this is your H bar and divided by Ig divided by AH bar. Okay, now next question is, this is the figure, that this is the free surface. This is the free surface and this is the inclined figure having 2 meter as its length and 1 meter perpendicular to paper as its width. So its area is also 2 into 1 meter. But its width, but its height from center of gravity to the free surface is to be calculated by the trigonometry, that this perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to sine 45 degree. The angle from the horizontal theta is 45 degree. So sine 45 is equal to this divided by 1 plus, this is root 2. So 1 plus root 2, this divided by 1 plus root 2 is equal to sine 45. So you can find out it is 1.71 meter. It is H bar. So here your formula is gamma A H bar, and you will get the formula. Hello, क्लास हो रहा है, पंखा चला दो एक तो, समझे? हेलो, एक पंखा चला दो, ठीक. And for this center of pressure, Ig sine square theta by A H bar plus H bar. So sine theta is 145, and all the values are given. So you will get the value of. So if you again go to there, So you have calculated here first question, and this is the second question. Calculated total pressure on the depth of center of pressure on inclined gate shown in figure. The width of the gate perpendicular to the plane of paper is 1 meter. Total pressure is equal to 1000 into 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 by root 2. So it comes to about 1.71. 1.71. And you will get 1.807 meter. Okay. Thank you. Now try to see all the things I have the figure I have sent on the WhatsApp and numerical over here. And 320 फिर आइए तो we will deal with the Bayesian flotation. I have sent the detail on your WhatsApp. You can collect from there. Okay. Okay, students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So again join at 3:20, and you are going to be given the lecture on the Bayesian flotation. Thank you.